Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. So first is first, you have to go to your Google and then here you have to tap this three dots. Now you have to scroll down here and then locate settings, tap on settings. In the settings option or section, you have to look for appearance. So you have to tap on appearance right here and then in the appearance section, tap mode and you will see option here device dark and light. So in order for you to set this or turn this or switch this into dark, just tap on dark. So that is the first step on how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. However, if you can't find this option, then you can try to add extensions here. For example, you can just basically go to Chrome extension and then look for something like dark mode or dark reader. You just have to simply type dark right here and it will suggest some extensions for dark mode. All you need to do is just simply click add to Chrome and then add extension. And then after that, you will see that on the extension icon, and all you have to do is to pin this one to enable it. Somehow, there are extensions here that are not for free, so you need to purchase this one. But lucky you if you find an extension that is for free. However, I still strongly suggest to just go to your settings and go back to our first method, and that is to go to settings, look for the appearance, and then go to mode, tap on a dark theme. So basically, this is how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.